Hi darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Suswana Coach, and if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you. And if you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you for joining, and I do hope you are going to stay after this video. So I'm excited because I started this hair growth journey 2 weeks ago, but I added extra week and I posted a video when I started this challenge. And today is exactly 3 weeks of me making this challenge. And I must tell you, my hair growth has like change. I could see my hair being fuller. I could see the growth of my hair, my baby hairs. Everything has grown so well. And all thanks to this oil. This is rosemary, cloves, and cinnamon oil. This actually did the magic to my hair. And you can see my hair has really grown fast. So I'm going to put this in a video. You're going to see the first time I started this journey and how far my hair grew. And now you can see this. So let's get into it. Hi darling, so if you have watched the video to this point, I know you like it and I know you're going to subscribe to this channel, but let me give you some seconds to subscribe. Okay, so you're done subscribing. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate you. Peace out.